National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Fairfield County, southeastern Fayette County, Ohio, northern Adams County in southwestern Ohio, southern Pickaway County, western Pike County in southwestern Ohio, eastern Highland County in southwestern Ohio, Ross County in southwestern Ohio, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near New Holland to Belfast, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chillicothe, Circleville, Greenfield, Waverly, Piketon, Kingston, Marshall, Williamsport, Bainbridge, New Holland, Belfast, Highland Holiday, Logan Elm Village, Pike Lake, Kincaid Springs, Rocky Ford Point, Cynthiana, North Folk Village, Good Hope, and Frankfort. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.